Today we follow young Mowgli deeper into the jungle. It's a story of a dangerous kidnapping, a ruined city, and a very large, very wise python named Kaa. Let's see what happens. Baloo was a strict teacher. Day after day he made Mowgli repeat the master words for every creature until the boy knew them in his sleep. Baloo even used a heavy love tap now and then, insisting that knowing the law of the jungle might one day save Mowgli's life. Mowgli grumbled that Baloo was too hard on him. The wild freedom of the trees and the laughter of the monkeys seemed far more fun than lessons. The Bandar log whispered to him from the treetops, promising games and admiration if he would only join them. They cared nothing for law, only for noise and praise. One day, when Baloo's back was turned, the Bandar log seized their chance. In a rush of paws and tails, they snatched Mowgli up into the treetops. They raced along the tree roads faster than any wolf could run. Mowgli felt the world blur beneath him as they carried him toward the cold lairs. For a brief moment, Mowgli found his voice. He shouted the master word to chill the kite, begging the bird to carry word of his capture to Baloo and Bagheera. Baloo was beside himself with fear and guilt. He and Bagheera thundered through the undergrowth, but no four-footed hunter could match the speed of the tree roads. Baloo blamed himself, but Bagheera reminded him that even the best teacher cannot control the hearts of the young. What mattered now was the rescue. They sought out Kaa, the ancient python. With careful flattery and one useful little lie about the monkeys mocking him, they stirred Kaa's pride and won his help. Together they set off for the cold lairs, the forgotten city of men, now claimed by the Bandar log. Kaa's long body slid through the brush as fast as Bagheera's paws. The cold lairs rose before them, a broken city where no law was honored. Above, the monkeys shrieked and swaggered among the crumbling stones. Bagheera leapt ahead to scout, but was smothered by chattering bodies. The Bandar log were many, and with every leap, more of them clung to his back. Outnumbered, the panther was forced to retreat into a deep water tank, where the monkeys could not reach him all at once. Baloo followed, using his strength to beat the monkeys away in great, heavy blows. But there always seemed to be more little hands reaching from above. Meanwhile, Mowgli sat trapped in a ruined summer house, watched by cobras he had calmed with the master words. The monkeys boasted and argued, dreaming of becoming real people. Then the walls themselves seemed to move. Kaa crashed through the stone, his great coils filling the terrace. The Bandar log shrieked in ancient terror of the python. When the battle was done, Kaa began his hunger dance, coiling and swaying in the dust, until even the bravest monkeys could do nothing but stare and step toward him. Baloo and Bagheera felt the pull as well. Mowgli alone stood clear-headed, grabbing their arms and dragging them back from Kaa's glittering eyes. Behind them, Kaa finished his dreadful, lawful work. In the jungle, The Bandar log had broken every rule, and the law had its answer. Later, Bagheera gave Mowgli 6 heavy love taps for daring to listen to the Bandar log. Mowgli accepted them without a word, knowing he had broken the law. They began the long journey home. The jungle was quiet, but the events of the day echoed in Mowgli's mind with every step. That night, under the stars, the jungle felt different to him. Still wild and dangerous, but also bound together by a wisdom deeper than any monkey's chatter. He was no longer just a cub playing games. He was a part of something ancient, a law that demanded both respect and courage. Mowgli learned that clever words and brave friends can save a life, but that true freedom only comes when we honor the laws that keep us safe. Join me next time as we follow Mowgli on new paths through the jungle, because the adventure is only just beginning.